Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. Excuse my voice, I'm still recovering from that cold, which is weird. This is the first time I have cold for almost 2 weeks. Anyway, today I have very special haul. I have been seeing a lot of videos about coloring books. And I said, what? I used to color when I was a little kid, and I really love coloring, and I kind of miss it because, I used to make cards and I stamp the images, these cute images, and color them either with Copic markers or color pencil, but mostly with Copic markers. But now since I'm focusing, on watercolor and, mixed media, I don't color as usual. So I said, what? Let me go and check these books and try them if I'm going to like them or what. So I bought only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 books. So I'm excited to show them to you. The first book, oh my gosh, she's so cute. This is called Anime Coloring Book, Kawaii Girls and Animals. So cute. Look. She's so cute, but the thing that I don't like is the paper is really thin. I don't expect that will handle Copic markers or any alcohol markers. So I'm not sure. I think I'm going to color pencil them. I need to experiment with all the medium I have. Even I'll check my kids, markers. So I don't know. But look at these gorgeous girls. Oh. I don't know, is this Pokemon or what? I don't know. My daughter, she went crazy. She said, Mom, I want to color with you. I said, of course, you can. They're so cute and I'm really excited, to start coloring them. Okay, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box if you're interested. Most of them from Amazon. Then I got this book. This is called How to Color Cute Stuff, Have Fun and Enjoy Coloring Your Way. So this is how to make like pattern using alcohol markers. And if you know Sandy Olnock, she's expert in alcohol markers, and I think I purchased a couple of her classes, and she also done the same thing, how to make pattern with Copic, but it's very advanced. This is so cute. So this book belongs to, you can write your name. By the way, it's my first time now open the pages, and see it with you guys. Let's talk about this book. I think she'll explain what's this book, the content, the markers, type of markers, coloring technique, the shadings, color wheel. Shading is really important. Okay, so there are fun tips, how to color. So the first class will be, or the first exercise will be doodle pattern. So how to make this cute pattern. And here to exercise, and I think here to write the color number or name. Oh, mushroom, so cute. Ice cream. I thought it's carrots. Let me zoom in a little bit. I like this one. Okay, so a couple of exercises here for nature, surface texture. This is wood. So cool, and I'm really excited, and I like this is step by step, and I think it's easy to follow, especially if you worked with Copic markers or alcohol markers, because they are known for blending. So yeah, special effects. So cute. This is for the light. And let's take a break here to color. Again, the paper is thin, so I'm really starting to doubt that the paper will handle the Copic markers. Not sure. I will do a follow-up video to see what medium I use to color this cute stuff. Okay, the second book called Little Worlds Coloring Book by Gabby Wolf. When I saw houses and books and plants, that's my perfect combo. I have a lot of stamps and dies of houses and books. Oh, that's sad. I'm not using them anymore. Okay, so again, tips for coloring, introduction, and this is the images. They're easy, not that much intimidating. Pens? That's cute. House tree, kitchen shelves, I'm gonna say. Wow. Mushroom. Bottles, inks, houses. I love houses. I think I have a stamp like this from Colorado Craft Company. Wow, I think even for a crafter they can cut it after recoloring and it will be a card, you know, ready-made card. House inside the bottle. Oh. Color test page. Again, I feel the paper is really flimsy and thin, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's for pencil. It doesn't say. I love it. Here's another how to draw patterns. This one by Coco, I don't know. It's the same author. No, this is different author. Mason Nook. Okay, so they're different but same concept. Again, let's see how to draw pattern. So cute. Cozy coloring community. Oh my gosh, I like her, you know, illustrations and her drawing, so cute. Again, tips and tricks for using Copic markers. And here is the patterns. They are very simple, I think, different than this one. Here's in 6 steps, here in 4 steps. She also suggests the cutters, the colors. Again, she has the same, what do you call it? Same division, let's say, surface texture. Here's one is what? Doodle pattern, water effects, window and sky. Same idea. Library practice, okay. Maybe this is like inspirations. Ah, okay, no. So you can, you know, copy and color them. Watermelon sheep. Oh, so cute. Fish. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, this book is so adorable. And here, all the patterns. Again, same ending. So there is a coloring pages and you color them with the pattern. That's so smart to color this with pattern. Okay, so cute. This is hardcover, and this one called Shooting Star Coloring Book, illustrated by Marie Trolle. Here's the paper, a little bit thicker. I love it. And I think it's easy to color. It's not that much intimidating. I saw a couple of videos with the artists will show with dragon and I don't know, mythicals. I don't remember exactly the genre for the type of books, but has like a dragon, wolves, for example. So much detail, so much black lines, and I felt no way I'm gonna color this. So I tried, you know, to look for something easy and simple, and I don't feel that, no, I don't want to color it. Oh, I love this so much. So adorable and cute. Squirrels. My daughter will gonna love this page. Love it. I'm really excited to color. Okay, last but not least, this book, and this is the only book I, I saw it before, and I already colored a page. I couldn't wait, and my son too. He said, "Mom, I want to color." So, this is so cute. This book called Garden Corners, bold and easy coloring book. This is by Hikaru Coates. Look at this. And again, that's my son. I love it. It's so cute. We used color pencils because, you know, the paper is really thin. But look at the images. So big. I love, love, love them. Oh, this is a gnome. Cat. They're so adorable. I love the strawberries. What is my image? Yeah, that's it, but I didn't finish it. Here testing the colors. So I used Prismacolor, you know, to color this page. I'm gonna finish it today, hopefully. You know, I was watching TV and coloring at the same time. You know, don't ask me why. You know, some people gonna watch TV and start scrolling their phones. For me, it was different. I was watching TV and coloring. So, anything else? Yeah. So yeah, so that's my small haul. I hope you like, you know, the books that I picked up to try coloring. I'm going to, you know, experiment with different mediums, and I hope to come again with another video, follow-up video, to tell you how was my experience, you know, with coloring all these cute images. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye.